Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one very easy and interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home under 5 to 7 minutes. So let's start the recipe. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make South Indian eggplant rice at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I chopped some eggplant and here I took a kadai or pan. In this I'm going to add some oil. So we have to add 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil. So here I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil. When the oil becomes a little bit hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, the urad dal and some curry leaves. So here I added some mustard leaves, the urad dal, and I have some fresh curry leaves. And here I'm adding the fresh curry leaves. If you want to avoid this one, you can easily avoid it because I know guys, in so I know guys, because the countries are locked down and we can't able to go to the shop and whatever the veggies are available in the fridge, we have to do. So yeah, so here I am adding some the eggplant. So after adding the eggplant, we have to mix these things together along with the mustard and the urad dal. And you can add potato also along with the eggplant, but I am not adding the potato. And you can prepare this rice with any veggies like capsicum or capsicum, matar and aloo, carrot, beans. So any veggies guys. So this is very easy and simple rice which you can make it at your home for your family. And you can have this rice with any raita or with plain yogurt or with papad. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, so I covered this one with the lid and I have to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to add this chili also guys. This is from my garden. So I thought I can add this chili in the eggplant rice. So here I chopped the veggies, that is the green chili, and I'm going to add this one, the eggplant. So can you see, here I added the chili and the eggplant is nicely cooked after 3 to 4 minutes. And it's time to add the turmeric powder, the chili powder and salt as per your taste. So here I added the turmeric powder. Please add the turmeric powder in all the food because the turmeric powder is very good for our immune system. So yeah. So here I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and I'm going to add some chili powder. Here I added the chili powder and here I am adding some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want. Even the salt is not available in the supermarket and we have to mix these things together. And after adding the salt, we have to cook for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I am going to add the sabji masala powder, the homemade sabji masala powder. So I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sabji masala powder into this, which gives a nice taste and aroma in this rice. And I am going to mix all these things together. So for this recipe, we need rice. So I cooked the rice in the morning itself. So no, if you don't have the basmati rice, no need. You can use any ordinary rice like Sona Masuri rice or even the ration rice. So yeah, and I'm going to add this rice into this eggplant. So I added the rice along with the veggies and we have to mix all these things together and we have to cook for up to 1 minute, not more than that, until the rice absorb all the masalas which we added in the eggplant. And in the top we can add 1 teaspoon of ghee. So the rice is ready and I'm going to add some ghee in the top. So it gives a nice taste in this rice, guys. So yeah, and we have to mix. If you want to skip ghee you can, but by adding ghee it gives a nice taste, as I said. So in this recipe, because in North India the Navaratri started and many people they don't eat onion, garlic. So yeah, and in this recipe no onion, no garlic, and you can use the. So this is a quick video of how to make eggplant rice at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.